let's understand the concept of multi-indexing in NumPy arrays. Specifically, first let's understand multi-indexing in a 1D NumPy array. Okay, sorry, give the heading. Multi-indexing in NumPy arrays. Okay, now in this lecture we'll talk about 1D NumPy arrays. Multi-indexing in 1D NumPy arrays. Okay, so if you know that if this is your list, okay, we have talked about this, you can simply access the first element by a of 0, correct? And this is your Python list. This is your Python list. Okay, you can create a NumPy array, np.array a, and you can print a1. Okay, and type of a1 is a array, which is NumPy array. Okay, perfect, nice. Now you know that same way you can perform indexing over a NumPy array as well. Exact same way, right? The difference is if you try to perform multi-indexing. What is multi-indexing? Multi-indexing means indexing over multiple elements at the same time. As simple as it sounds. Okay, multi-indexing means indexing multiple elements at the same time. Okay, what do I mean by that? Suppose I do A is what? A is your Python list. Okay, 3659. Suppose I do A, and if I do bracket 2, 4, and if I run this, okay, now give me a second, 1, 3. Okay, it gives me list indexes must be integers or slices, not list. So you cannot provide list in place of an index in a Python list. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tell you the major differences wherever possible. Okay, now let's talk about the hero. Okay, let's talk about the I should say the celebrity in this course, which is your NumPy. Okay, NumPy array. If I do same thing as a list, if I provide 1, 3, be ready to be surprised. It will be a NumPy array which specifically index 1 element and index 3 element. That's it. Like, I don't know what else to say. As simple as that. Okay, so basically you have got a NumPy array specifically of the elements present at these indices or indexes for that matter, right? And you can just play around with this as much as required. Okay, so you can say a1, okay, again a list of 0, 3. That means only give me a NumPy array. What we usually do is we create a copy like this so that we can use it later on. So you are saying only create a copy of this NumPy array with only element present at 0th index and 4th index, 3rd index, which is 4th element, and that's it, 3, 9. Okay, but if you print a1, it will be unchanged. You are not modifying the given array, you are not parting it, you are not slicing it. Okay, original NumPy array remains unchanged. Okay, so this is the simple concept you need to understand when it comes to multi-indexing over a 1D NumPy array. Please play around with this, try to play around with negative indexes as well. Okay, you will be shocked about how simple it can get. Now see you in the next session where I'll introduce this concept for a 2D NumPy array where it is a bit tricky. Okay, hey, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and got to learn something from it. For well-structured guidance and live doubt sessions, you can check out the link in the description below. And the best part about it is that it's completely for free. So keep upskilling yourself, and we wish you all the very best for your journey. Take care.